Hey guys, today's video is going to be another reading mean comments video because I've gotten just so many, and it's just these people, it's their time to shine. In the last video, some of you guys, like the majority of you guys, said that you liked the voice changes that I did. There were only a couple that said that you didn't like it, so I'm probably gonna do the voice changes again because the majority of you guys liked that, so here we go.
Wow, good way of making a ton of money by starting drama.
I just want to point out that buy is spelled B-U-Y.
By starting drama about another reseller who makes more money than you, that was a genius idea. What people don't get is that she didn't make these stupid boxes for resellers. Resellers need to chill the F out because these boxes were made for her to make money back no matter who bought it. She didn't specifically say, these are for resellers and they'll make a ton of profit back. She was obviously looking out for her own business, which is what every business owner does. Why are there so many Karens in this world?
Maybe I'm showing my age, but like calling someone a Karen, I feel like that's like such a young thing to do. I feel like people in like their 20s are like, oh, Karen, Karen, Karen. Like, I don't know. I can't imagine being like, you're a Karen and being serious about calling someone like you're a Karen. Like, I feel like that's the younger things. Good way of making money by starting drama about another reseller who makes more money than you. I started the drama? I started the drama? I did? No. Nicole State started her own drama. I'm just informing you guys of it. And she makes more money than me. How do you know? How do you know that? How do you know that? You don't know that. You're clueless. You have no idea. You have no idea how much money I make. You have no idea. You have no idea. Didn't make these boxes for resellers. Then why does she promote them to resellers? She did say that you would get back like 2 times, 3 times your money. So what is this girl talking about? I don't know. And why are there so many Karens in the world? Again, that term is just, clearly this girl's young, I think. She has a YouTube channel too. I've watched her YouTube channel and her videos are like, I was like, falling asleep. Just being real. Just being real. Your YouTube videos were very boring.
Women were still ordering from her because they knew they would get free merchandise and their money back. That's messed up. Also, why do you keep whining about the mean messages you're getting when you're being a bully yourself? And won't stop talking about her downfall. You're not a nice person. And what Nicole did was wrong, but you were clearly just riding out her failure for your own benefit. My mom used to watch your channel until she saw how malicious you actually were with this whole Nicole State witch hunt.
I'm not even going to address the bully thing because I'm not a fucking bully, okay? Why do I keep whining about the mean messages? I'm actually not whining about the mean messages. I'm using them for content and to make money. So thank you. Thank you for that. You're not a nice person. Okay. Why? Because I'm pointing out somebody that's fucking shady that makes me not a nice person? That is such twisted logic. You're clearly just riding her own failure for your own benefit. Like, okay. Okay, sure. Yep, I love the people that are like, you're just doing this for views. It's like, no shit. I am. That's the point of YouTube videos, to get views on it. Like, hello, hi, welcome. My mom used to watch your channel until she saw how malicious you are. How? Can you please explain to me how I'm the bad person here? I didn't scam anyone. I haven't committed fraud. I haven't stabbed people in the back. How am I the bad person? Okay, this was an Instagram DM.
Well, you've finally met your match. Blank is on your ass. And I'm sure...
Blank, I'm saying blank because I'm not going to say the person's name.
I sure am glad someone is stepping up and putting you in your place because you have been bashing Nicole State.
This is all one big, long, run-on sentence, by the way.
You've been bashing Nicole State, and it's just going to stop. And it's just got to stop. And it's just got to stop. You've got to stop tainting this reseller community and turning everybody against Nicole. So you finally met your match, and hopefully she can get you taken off YouTube.
First of all, my match, like, not even close, okay? I'm gonna stop tainting the reseller community. Again, I'm the bad person here. Like, how the fuck am I the bad person? How? I'm turning everybody against Nicole State. I mean, she's a fucking horrible person, so this person that she's talking about, like my, harasser, she's not gonna get me taken off YouTube. Like, no, it's not happening. This person's literally crazy. Like, if you watch the videos, she's literally crazy. Like, she needs help. Like, seriously, I'm not saying that jokingly. I really truly believe that she needs help. I could understand, you know, if I had really done something to hurt her, but all I did was read her bundle comments to Nicole State. I didn't say her name. I didn't say anything about her. Like, I didn't give out who she was. I read her comments, and that really made her mad. I think it's hilarious because those comments are public anyway. But yeah, that person's crazy. I've blocked them everywhere. They continue to make new Poshmark accounts, and they message Nicole State and they're like, hey, check out this YouTube channel, this girl's defending you. And it's like actually her, because she uses like the same words in her username, so it's quite obvious that it's her. Like, she truly needs help. She really does. Okay, and the last one.
If I hear that annoying sigh one more time, I'm going to lose it. This human being is participating and profiting off the downfall of Nicole, and also, by the way, doesn't know how to have consistent $300 or $400 days selling shit online. Keep watching her make pathetic gossip that makes her money off clicks.
You're literally
Wrong, by the way. He wrote Y-O-U-R.
You're literally watching a gossip channel that doesn't know how to actually make money online.
Right, guys, I don't actually make money. I don't actually sell things. I don't. I actually just give them away for free. This person, I think it might be friends with her. You said you don't like my sigh, and I honestly just have one thing to say to you. So that is it for this video. I have so many more mean comments that I can read. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see more. You guys liked the last video and said you wanted more, so I did another one. Let me know if you want more, because I got more. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.